Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I guess I got a 4-pack of these, but these are like coatings. These are a graphene coating, I think, for your automobile. It says it's a nano ceramic protective coating that can be applied in multiple layers. Just got it, so nice to put something like this on the car to make it nice and a coating, just to keep it nice and good. And so this is what you get here. You get a little glass bottle of the stuff in there, and then you get this nice little kind of microfiber. Uh, Feels like it's got a little bit of like foam, memory foam kind of thing inside of it to apply it. So you'll go through the application process with it, and it kind of has all the instructions on there. It says put 4 or 5 drops on, and then do it evenly panel by panel, and then if you've got extra little parts dried on it or whatever like that, just kind of wipe it off after a couple of minutes. And so this should protect against the swirls, bird droppings, UV ratings, all that stuff. So if you're like my car, I like to take it into car washes and stuff, and it gets the swirls and everything like that. So I think I'll put this stuff on every once in a while and kind of just rub it on there, and it'll hopefully keep my car looking good. So very good stuff.